Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any Android smartphones and tablets vibrate continuously. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly just open the settings and just click on the sound and vibration and kindly check the vibration intensity. And now under the media option, just increase it little bit. So if you mute it, then you won't be allowed to use the vibration. So I have just increased it little bit. So firstly check the vibration mode is enabled or not on your respective Android smartphone, and after that just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Vibrator app, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you can see this kind of various options. So you can see the vibration strength. So you can increase or decrease the vibration strength depending upon your needs, and you can see the vibration pattern. So how much vibrate milliseconds you want to set. So you can increase or decrease this too also. So I'll just keep the 100 milliseconds, and you can set it after how many milliseconds. So if you want continuously, then you can set it to 0 milliseconds. So now let me click on this start and let me make you hear whether it's really working or not. So now if you want to stop it, just slide to stop. So now it has been stopped, so it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application named as Vibrator app, you can easily make any Android smartphones and tablets vibrate continuously. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.